partnership between two countries. NPP candidate Amprin Lingdor files nomination from Shillong parliamentary seat. Second phase of border talks between Assam and Meghalaya to take place after Lok Sabha election. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal withdraws petition against his arrest from Supreme Court. And ISRO successfully carried out landing of its reusable launch vehicle, Pushpa. The news in detail. India and Bhutan today exchanged several agreements of mutual interest to further strengthen their partnership. The documents were exchanged between India and Bhutan in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Prime Minister of Bhutan Shering Tobgay in Thimphu. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Bhutan will give new boost to bilateral relationship by focusing on developmental partnership. The Prime Minister reached Paro this morning on a two-day visit to Bhutan. During the visit, Prime Minister will have the audience with King of Bhutan, Jigme Khesha Namgyal Wangchuk, and fourth King of Bhutan, Jigme Singye Wanchuk. Prime Minister Modi will also inaugurate the Gyaltsen Jetson Pema Mother and Child Hospital in Thimphu tomorrow.
The King of Bhutan और हमारे लक्ष्य भी एक जैसे हैं। भारत ने 2047 तक विकसित देश बनने का लक्ष्य तय किया है। वहीं भूटान ने 2034 तक हाई इनकम देश बनने का लक्ष्य रखा है।
NPP candidate for Shillong parliamentary seat, Dr. Amprin Lingdor, today filed nomination for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Accompanied by the two deputy chief ministers, leaders and supporters, Amprin Lingdor reached the DC office and filed the nomination. Lingdor, while speaking to media person, expressed confidence that she would win the Lok Sabha polls. The four-time legislator Lingdor served as a cabinet minister in the MDA-2 government. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Prasoon Tinsong denied any anti-incumbency against the ruling MDA-2 government in the state and said more people are coming under the party fold.
And we believe that in our efforts to serve the people, we shall be able to put one after the other these pending issues. It is going to be a big challenge for me personally. Our own NPP members as well as coalition members, I am sure that together this team will be strong. They will help me. This is something which MP in the past did not have. I have that as the advantage, and it clearly poises me in a very, very comfortable position.
In fact, I'm telling you, people are joining us every day. Why they do that? Why they do that? Because they have seen it, not only MDA-1, but MDA-2, a matter of 1 year. We have seen a lot of changes, a lot of focus we made for the interest of the state as a whole. So therefore, a lot of leaders, irrespective of which denomination you are, which party you are, but they keep joining us. So you understand that NPP.
The second phase of the interstate border talks on resolving the dispute between Meghalaya and Assam in 6 remaining areas of contention has been delayed for over 6 months, and now the talks are likely to be held only after the declaration of the Lok Sabha poll results on June 4th. The regional committees of West Khasi Hills and Ribhoi district are still awaiting nods from their Assam counterparts to conduct the joint survey in the disputed cities. Nongpo MLA and member of the Ribhoi Regional Committee, Meral Bonsaim, hoped that after the declaration of the election results, both sides will fix a date and take forward the pending matter regarding the second phase. Saim admitted that the delay in resolution of the borders dispute was providing the active radical groups with opportunities to take advantage of the sensitive situation on religious grounds.
two regional committee, we will decide the date on that, and we could pursue ahead the long pending matter with regards to the talk on the second phase, especially the area of difference in Ripoy district, which is Nongwa Mautamur, Bordoar, Desdomria, and Block 2. These are the 4 parts which are there in Ripoy district. And I'm very optimistic this time around that after the general election in the Lok Sabha, we will positively have a meeting and then followed by a spot inspection.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has withdrawn petition against his arrest from the Supreme Court in the alleged liquor policy scam. According to sources, he will now approach a lower court in accordance with the protocol. The Enforcement Directorate had named him in the Delhi liquor policy-linked money laundering case and had sent 9 summons to him to appear before it. However, Mr. Kejriwal skipped all summons, terming them illegal and politically motivated. The National Peoples Party Nongson constituency held a public meeting on Friday to chalk out strategy and to strengthen the party for the upcoming MP election. The program was attended by NPP leaders from different primary units of Nongson and Nongson block leaders, including Macmillan Birsat and others. Speaking to media person, Macmillan Birsat urged the people of Nongson to be united and work for the NPP. He also said that it would be a proud moment for Khasi Jantia Hills if a woman MP is elected from Shillong parliamentary constituency.
Haga Jimlong nong yalam jung la bandun gi jing na hang yang tai nei ngin me thoi ko bu ta ya ngi yalong bai tang ko wi so ka wei gi jing mot ban pen job don buram naga district ke jing long stein gambrai pat kamang sungut konstitusi ke jing tengi ngech kamba kan long ka sin ka banung kong kan long ka history hagari ka jat benri ko jungi bagade ka MP kan thai ka banung kong ka ban le parliament hagari ka tem ka pamenta bat kan long ka buram.
After the 3rd edition of Monolith Festival hosted recently, the KhaADC is now keen on working with the Meghalaya government to make the festival bigger with the ambition of surpassing even the famous Hornbill Festival of Nagaland. Speaking to media persons here on Thursday, KhaADC Deputy Chief Executive Member CEM P.N. Aim said that they can definitely make the festival a bigger affair while reminiscing about the impressive footfall at the recently held Monolith Festival. The Deputy CEM also stated that the KhaADC is not averse to the idea of working with the Meghalaya government in working towards the endeavours. The 3rd Monolith Festival showcased the rich culture and heritage of the Khasi community insofar as the cuisine, custom attire and local administration are concerned.
Because the Hornbill has been started long time back. For Monolith, I think this is the only 3rd edition. But still we could gather crowd, that much of crowd. So we are very thankful to the state government for their kind cooperation with us. Through Meghalaya Aid Limited, we work together with us, where all these traditional huts have been repaired, then it has been beautified. So we are very thankful to them. Even the even management team also has been financially helped by the state government.
The Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO has successfully carried out the landing of its reusable launch vehicle Pushpak at the Aeronautical Test Range in Chokkere in Chitradurga today in Karnataka. ISRO Chairman S. Somanath congratulated the team for the flawless execution of maneuvering, landing and energy management of the spaceship in a fully autonomous mode. In the second test today on the launch vehicle in Chalakkere, ISRO successfully tested the brake, parachute, landing gear brakes, nose wheel steering system, on-board navigation hardware and software, and its capability to withstand conditions created by high-velocity landing. As a part of observation of World TB Month 2024, the Office of the District Tuberculosis Officer, Riboy District Nongpo, organized an auto rickshaw rally to create awareness among the public about tuberculosis. The rally started from District Transport Office Ribhoi and concluded at Yau Maulong today. Many auto rickshaw took part in the rally. District Tuberculosis Officer Dr. E. Kalwing informed that last year, as many as 447 people were diagnosed with TB in Ribhoi district, and this year the number have already reached 42. She also asked the people to come together in the fight against TB, as the government plans to eradicate TB by 2025.
Sau punya ngot di bapang TB hapor Ribhoi. Batang hauli usnyam tumai bangi diagnose tumai badang tip tumai bapang TB gidon sau pu arngot. Dia kum ki nongya auto jong kadong Ribhoi pia kenduk sibun ki brio hak lentiak kelentian kejumpi dengan terpat ye pi bantuin ai kenika kubur sekiwe ke awareness program ada hilap bagi nongsong auto jumpi lani ki bahaya ngasem ke jumpi lani ha jinglalang hangno bapisiam ku kini ki dak disin bantuin penbena lami ke kubur isapang kan ni pang tebi kenang bakila banwan kloi bantas saki Jakarta.
The Public Health Engineering PHE Department celebrated World Water Day at the District Auditorium in Tura today with the theme Water for Peace. The event highlighted the importance of water in fostering harmony. Deputy Commissioner Jagdish Chelani graced the occasion as the chief guest. Participants also engaged in discussions and workshops focusing on water conservation strategies under the slogan, "Water is life, don't waste it." The event emphasized the urgent need for responsible water usage to ensure a sustainable future for Meghalaya. Meanwhile, Nongstoin also observed World Water Day. A two-day event was held at St. Vianney's Hall, Pindengri, where Additional Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills District CP Maukon graced the function as the chief guest. The Indian Premier League cricket tournament will begin this evening in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The season opener match will be played between the defending champions Chennai Super Kings and Royal Challengers Bengaluru at M.A. Chidambaram Stadium, Chennai. The match will begin at 8 p.m. Cricket fans are eagerly waiting for the game as both MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli will be seen in action against each other. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 17.8 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 73%, while in the evening it was 67%. Forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. India and Bhutan exchanges several MOUs to strengthen partnership between two countries. NPP candidate Ampreen Lingdor files nomination from Shillong parliamentary seat. Second phase of border talks between Assam and Meghalaya to take place after Lok Sabha elections. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal withdraws petition against his arrest from Supreme Court. And ISRO successfully carried out landing of its reusable launch vehicle, Pushpa. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.